Tired of crowded counters and small, inefficient kitchen appliances? Meal prep taking forever and leaving a greasy mess? Dinner feels like a juggling act every single night. Food comes out soggy or unevenly cooked too often. Cleaning up takes longer than the actual meal. You need something compact, powerful, and easy to maintain. Meet the Bella 4Q Slim Air Fryer. Fits anywhere. Tall, slim profile saves precious cabinet and counter space. If you want to check the price of the Bella 4 Quartz Slim Air Fryer, check out the links in the description. Slim design frees up to 50% more space. Don't sacrifice capacity for compactness. It holds big batches. Redesigned 4QT basket cooks up to 3.3 pounds. Perfect size for family dinners and easy entertaining. 1300 watts and circular heat technology speed cooking times. 6 presets handle air fry, bake, roast, broil, reheat, dehydrate. Adjustable temperature gives precise control from low to high. Enjoy crispy fries and juicy proteins without added oil. EverGood ceramic non-stick coating makes cleanup unbelievably simple. Coating free of PFAS, PFOA, PTFE, lead, and cadmium. Both basket and crisping tray are dishwasher safe. Quick wipe downs or toss parts in dishwasher, so your choice. Safety features include a cool touch handle and sturdy construction. 60-minute auto shutoff with audible tone prevents overcooking. Cord wrap keeps everything neat for easy storage. Stylish rounded corners, subtle fluting, soft matte finish elevate kitchens. Available in oat milk, surf, plum, and blossom colors. Makes a practical, attractive addition to any countertop. Imagine cooking family meals faster with less fuss. Before, multiple batches, crowded oven, messy pans everywhere. After, 1XL basket, crispy results, less cleanup. Before, greasy splatters, stubborn pans, and tedious scrubbing routines. After, EverGood coating releases food for effortless wipe downs. Before, uneven heating left some bites overcooked, others under. After, circular heat technology delivers consistent, crispy results. Large family? No problem. Cook more at once. Batch cook fries, chicken, salmon, all in one cycle. Reheat leftovers without sogginess using simple, dedicated preset options. Dehydrate fruit snacks or crisps with an easy setting. Adjustable temp lets you fine-tune for delicate or bold recipes. Audible tone signals when food is ready, no guessing. Compact footprint fits into tight kitchens, dorms, RVs, apartments. Efficient performance without taking over your countertop space. Use it as a primary small cooker or helpful backup. Meal planning becomes faster, healthier, and more predictable. Crispy textures with less oil mean better everyday meals. Cooking for guests? Serve hot, fresh, evenly cooked dishes quickly. Parents love the simplicity and quick cleanup after busy nights. Students appreciate compact design and space-saving cord wrap. Carefully designed handle stays cool for safe, confident serving. Durable construction built to last through everyday use. Subtle fluting and matte finish add modern elegance. Pick oat milk, surf, plum, or blossom to match decor. Short on storage? Slim form tucks into tight cabinets. Cord wraps neatly underneath for compact, clutter-free storage. No complicated knobs. Digital controls simplify every setting. Preset buttons make favorite recipes one touch. Consistently delicious. Convenient. 1300 watts power gives fast preheating and even browning. Say goodbye to smoky ovens and hot kitchen summers. Lightweight yet substantial. Easy to move and use. Makes weeknight dinners and weekend cooking equally enjoyable. Healthy swaps. Air fry instead of deep fry with little oil. Before juggling multiple pans, waiting for oven preheat time. After, choose a preset, press start, relax, dinner's ready. Before, burnt edges, raw centers, frustrating results. After, evenly crisped food, reliably great every time. Cleanup now takes minutes, not an hour, less stress. Perfect for busy households, couples, and single cooks alike. Invest in an air fryer that balances form and function. Bella offers thoughtful features you'll actually use every day. Sleek look, big results, simple cleanup. It makes sense. Ready for faster, tastier meals with less mess? Bring home the Bella 4 Cute Slim Air Fryer today. Choose your color and reclaim counter and cabinet space. Cook family-sized batches without crowding your kitchen any longer. Enjoy healthy, crispy meals with less oil, effortlessly. Tap to shop now and simplify every meal routine.